Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are working on a dark skin. This video was made specifically for my dark skin girlies, and I'm featuring two makeup brands that I love in this video. So I want you guys to watch this video to the end, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share and comment. So to start off your makeup, what we do first is to clean your skin. So I love cleaning my skin because I love working on a very clean surface, and you can see the amount of dirt that I removed from our skin. I had to go back in the second time to clean until I take off every dirt, because we don't want to be working on a dirty skin. So the next is to hydrate the skin. Hydration is very important for your skin. Here I'm using the Loam Prep from Yglam Cosmetics. It's a newly launched product which contains serum and also primer. It also contains a illuminating effect that instantly illuminates your skin when you apply it on the skin. It also contains skin ingredient like your skincare ingredients in it. Then the second is Hydro Prep, which is also a moisturizer and a primer, and it contains hyaluronic acid which helps to plump your skin. It softens the skin and plumps it, makes it very ready for other products to go in. And I as well ensure that I spread across every part of our face generously. The next product I went in is the Embryolite moisturizer, or also a primer. You guys know, if you've been following my YouTube channel for a long time, you will know that I don't joke with this primer because it is one of my favorite makeup in my makeup kit. So I went ahead to prime, and I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Milk Primer. So this one helps to hold the makeup and ensure that the foundation sticks to the skin for a long time. And as well, I went ahead to apply moisturizer on our lip moisturizer. So this is me testing my foundation on our skin to know the perfect shade that works for our skin, that matches our skin. So that is how I apply foundation. I don't just apply foundation immediately. I need to test, test run the foundation on our skin, swatch it to get a perfect skin shade. So after blending my foundation, I went ahead to spray with the Fresh Seal. So this is the setting spray from Yglam Cosmetics. They introduced this skin prep for your makeup, and I want you guys to enjoy it because I really enjoyed this product. Then the latest product they introduced is the bronzer, which the cream contour, which you can use to contour or bronze your face or your client's face. And in this video I used the shade bronze. Though the shade bronze was not as dark as this, I needed to add a little bit of pigment to darken it a bit, because the bronze was just almost a skin shade, which didn't really come out well because the product they sent to me, a shade was not inside. So I just got the bronze and two other shades. Then next I went into the newly released liquid brush cream blush from Yglam Cosmetics, and this blush is so beautiful, easy to blend on the skin, very pigmented. The colors are so beautiful. I think they released about 7 to 8 colors, if I'm not mistaken. So I was sent few of them and I tried it out and it came out well. So you guys know that when it's good product, I'm going to introduce you guys to it. And this is a good buy, like it's worth your money. Okay, so next we went ahead to highlight our under eyes to make it brighter, and I used Normal Beauty concealer. After then I sprayed generously. So the essence of spraying is to absorb oils and make sure my makeup stay long on the skin and make it feel like skin, like let the product melt into the skin. So that is the essence of spraying during and after your makeup. So I went ahead to bake our under eye, and I'm using the one size setting powder in shade Sweet Honey, I guess so. I use that for our under eye to brighten up the under eye, and also it will help me to hold eyeshadow fallouts in case any eyeshadow drops on our skin. So for my eye base, I used a lip stain because I wanted to go for a smoky eye, and I want it as dark as it could be. So I just opted for a smoky eyes, and I used the lip stain as my base. Then I went in with the for my eyeshadow. I'm using the Annie's Beauty brown meets the brown palette, and I picked the dark shade there. I just placed that on the eyelid and made sure that I blended out. So I already if you watch my previous videos, you see where I laid emphasis on how to blend your eyeshadow. The darker the eyeshadow, the lower you place it. The lighter your eyeshadow, the higher you blend upwards. Okay, so if you don't understand, just watch my previous videos, you can get information there. So for eyeliner, I'm using the Cara gel liner, and I'm trying to do the recent eyeliner eyelining that it's trending now. And so I think I'm going to create time to teach you guys, like make a video, a tutorial video on how to get the trending how to draw line your eyes, your under eyes, and how to do the trending eyeliner. So if you want that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and you're engaging on my post. So always turn on your notification to get that video. So for eyebrow, I lined with my gel, my brow gel. I lined for, I think I have a brow tutorial on my page. So if you want to learn how to draw eyebrow, you can always go down to my channel and search for the video. The video is there. The second brand I'm going to be introducing to you guys is the Chee lashes, and they recently launched the adhesive lash glue, which holds your eyelash, like to glue your eyelash to the real lash, the first lash to the real lash. And this is a good buy because it's not all client that wants the bond glue on their eyes, so you can opt for this at any time. So for my lip, for the lip, I went in with the bronzer, the cream bronzer, to the cream contour to line the lips. You know, you can always improvise. I've told you guys there are things that you don't even need to buy in your makeup kit, which you already have unknowing to you, because you can improvise. So for Yglam, I'm using this their cream blush as my lip stain because I love the color, and the color looks like lip stain for me. You get, so I had to use the cream blush, and I improvise because you can always improvise with your makeup kit. There are some things you don't even need to buy because you already have them unknowing to you. You get, so this is why I've created my 1 month physical class where I'll be teaching in details everything I've learned for almost 10 years, and I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks you can use for your makeup to elevate your makeup game. So if you're in Abuja and you want to upgrade on your skill, or you have zero to little knowledge in makeup, you can opt for this class. The class is on discount and we have limited seats available. You can make your inquiries, use the link in the description box to register, or send us a WhatsApp message. You can also use the link to send us an Instagram DM. We'll always reply and respond to your message. So see you in my next video. Bye.